How is it going, guys? This is Matt checking in from I'll Create, and today's topic of discussion will be bold and italic text. So, the tags which we will need are strong and B. Strong emphasizing strong text, and B for bold. The browsers will display those two tags in bold or blocky text, and EM and I. EM stands for emphasis and I stands for italics. And by default, browsers will display those two tags when we use them in our text in italics. So now, let's move on to some examples. So in the previous video, we've created this small document with the body, the head, the two HTML types, the title, a few headings, and a few paragraphs. And we can now build on the bold and italic text here. So let's say we look at the first paragraph. This may be a paragraph describing the page. Let's look at the word paragraph and add the B here. The B here, always remember to close it. Now saving it, and if we look here, refresh it, the word paragraph has now become bold. And let's try the same thing with page by adding an I tag. So I, saving it. The page part here, the word page has become italic. And what we can also do is, let's say we look at the paragraph bit again, add an I tag here, save. We can see that it's bold and italic at the same time. Now moving on to the strong and the EM tags. Strong emphasizes text and the browsers will display automatically as bold, and EM makes it italic. Now let's consider a real life example. If a blind person is using a screen reader to read a web page, the I and B tags will have no effect on how the screen reader is speaking to them. However, if we apply a strong tag, for example, the screen reader will read the word paragraph differently and automatically displays as bold as mentioned previously. And same thing with EM, save this, refresh it. You can see important has become italic. An important thing to consider as well is if you wanted to make a whole paragraph bold or italic, I would not recommend using HTML, but using CSS. Now this will come in later videos. Anyway, just to recap, I and B may be used in older browsers and older websites, but the programming world is moving towards a strong and EM tags, as they display the same but can be more useful for people with visual impairments who use screen readers. Thank you for listening. This has been Matt, and stay tuned for more.